Hello students, this is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are now trying to solve a UPSC Mathematics Optional question which tells us let H be a subspace of R4 spanned by the vectors V1 equals to 1 minus 2 5 minus 3, V2 equals to 2 3 1 and minus 4, and V3 equals to 3 8 minus 3 and minus 5. Then we have to find the basis of the subspace H and also the dimension of H, and we have to extend the basis of H to a basis of R4. Okay, let us check the vectors are linearly independent or not. Okay, so we take this matrix 1 minus 2 5 minus 3 2 3 1 and minus 4. Sorry, this will be, yeah, okay, and this is 3 8 minus 3 and minus 5. Now we are doing some elementary row operations which are R2 minus 2R1. That means we are subtracting the twice of the row 1 we from the R2. That means row 2. Then we get the first row will be as it is. That will be 1 minus 2 5 minus 3. Then the second row will be 0, then 7, after that minus 9 and 2, and the last row will be as it is. Okay, now we are doing same thing with the R3 and R2. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 2 5 and minus 3, and the second row will be remain same, that will be this, and the last row will be 0, and then will be 14. After that this will be minus 18 and it will be 4. Okay, now again we are doing R3 minus 2 R2. Sorry, it will be R3 minus 2 R1. Sorry, that was a typo. And it will be R3 minus 2 R2. Then we get first row will remain same, 1 minus 2 5 minus 3, and the second row will be 0 7 minus 9 and 2, and the last row will be 0 0 0 0. So we can see that the last row is a 0 row. So the dimension of H will be, so the dimension of H will be 2, as there are only two pivotal non-zero elements, and this is a 0 row, so we have to 1 and 2, so our dimension of H is 2. And now what are the bases of H? The basis of H is formed by only V1 and V2, the vector 1 and vector 2. V1 V2, what are they? They are from our question 1 minus 2 5 and minus 3, and the second row is 2 3 1 and minus 4. Okay, now we have to extend the basis of H to a basis of R to the power 4. Okay, in our row, after the row reduction we got this form. Then we have only two pivotal positions. They are A11 and A22 position are non-zero, and we have to take A33 and A44 position non-zero. Then it will be a basis for R to the power 4. So we have nothing to do much. We have only add this vector 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1, only these two vectors in our basis of H, in our basis of H subspace, then it will form a basis of R4. Okay, so what will be the basis of R4 which is extended from our basis H? It is equals to our V1, V2 and these two, which is equals to 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3, and the second row is 2, 3, 1 and minus 4, and the last two are 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. These are the required answers for this question. So hope you guys understood. Thank you.